Beneath the familiar landscapes of mountains, plains, and oceans lies a world in constant motion. Although the surface of Earth often feels stable and unchanging, this sense of permanence is an illusion shaped by human timescales. Over millions of years, the planet is endlessly reshaping itself, driven by forces that operate far beyond direct human perception. The ground beneath our feet is not a static foundation, but a thin shell resting atop a dynamic interior. Every step we take is supported by layers of rock that are slowly flowing, deforming, and adjusting in response to heat and pressure from deep within the planet. This hidden activity rarely announces itself dramatically, yet it governs the evolution of Earth itself. When earthquakes make headlines, they do so because of their suddenness and destruction. Buildings sway, roads crack, and the motion is unmistakable. These events are impossible to ignore because they intersect violently with human life. But such earthquakes represent only one expression of Earth's internal energy. Far more common, and far less visible, are seismic events that unfold quietly. These tremors do not rupture the surface or topple structures. Instead, they release energy gradually, spreading subtle vibrations through the planet that only sensitive instruments can detect. Though silent to human senses, they are deeply informative. Quiet quakes occur across a wide range of depths and environments within Earth. Some originate deep in the mantle, hundreds of kilometers below the crust, where temperatures and pressures transform rock into a slow-moving, plastic material. Others occur along subduction zones, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another, releasing stress not in a sudden snap, but in a prolonged, creeping motion. These slow seismic events challenge traditional ideas of how earthquakes work. They demonstrate that Earth does not always release stress catastrophically. Sometimes, it exhales rather than fractures. To understand these tremors, scientists rely on a global network of seismometers distributed across continents and islands. These instruments are capable of detecting ground motions smaller than the width of an atom. They record vibrations continuously, capturing signals from ocean waves, storms, human activity, and the deep interior alike. Within this vast sea of data, quiet quakes appear as faint, extended signals, patterns that emerge only through careful analysis. Extracting meaning from them requires patience, precision, and long-term observation. As seismic waves travel through Earth, they interact with the materials they encounter. Dense regions slow them down, while hotter or partially molten areas alter their paths. By measuring these changes, scientists can infer the structure and behavior of regions that lie far beyond direct reach. Quiet quakes thus serve as natural probes, illuminating the interior of the planet in much the same way medical imaging reveals structures inside the human body. Each tremor provides another slice of information, gradually refining our picture of Earth's hidden architecture. These observations have revealed that the mantle is far from uniform. It contains massive structures, including vast upwellings of hot material rising from deep near the core, as well as cold slabs of ancient oceanic crust sinking slowly downward. These features drive plate tectonics and influence where volcanoes form at the surface. Quiet quakes help trace these slow-moving currents, allowing scientists to watch Earth's internal circulation in action, a process that unfolds over tens of millions of years. Even more profound insights come from seismic waves that reach the boundary between the mantle and the core. This transition marks a dramatic change in composition, from solid silicate rock to a liquid outer core composed mainly of molten iron and nickel. Seismic waves behave differently here, bending, slowing, or vanishing altogether. By studying how quiet tremors interact with this boundary, scientists gain insight into the temperature and composition of Earth's core, the region responsible for generating the planet's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, though invisible, plays a crucial role in sustaining life. It deflects harmful solar radiation and shields the atmosphere from being stripped away by the solar wind. The field is generated by motion within the liquid outer core, where convection of molten metal creates electrical currents. Quiet quakes, by revealing details about core dynamics, indirectly deepen our understanding of this protective shield and how it has evolved over geological time. At the very center of the planet lies the inner core, a solid sphere under immense pressure. Though it is locked within liquid metal, it is not entirely static. Seismic studies suggest that it may rotate at a slightly different rate than the mantle and crust above it, creating subtle interactions over time. These discoveries rely heavily on deep seismic signals, many of which originate from quiet quakes rather than dramatic earthquakes. Without them, Earth's innermost secrets would remain inaccessible. Quiet seismic activity also has practical implications. By understanding how stress is released gradually in some regions, scientists can better assess seismic risk elsewhere. Slow slip events may relieve stress that would otherwise contribute to major earthquakes, or they may transfer stress to nearby faults. In either case, incorporating quiet quakes into seismic models improves our ability to understand and anticipate Earth's behavior. Perhaps most importantly, quiet quakes remind us that Earth operates on scales of time and motion that dwarf human experience. The planet's most important processes do not rush. They unfold patiently, layer by layer, vibration by vibration, over spans of time that redefine what change truly means. What feels permanent to us is often temporary to the planet. From the surface, Earth presents an image of stability. Continents appear fixed, mountains unyielding, and oceans eternal. Yet beneath that calm exterior, energy flows continuously, reshaping the planet from the inside out. Quiet quakes are the subtle expressions of that flow, the whispers of a world constantly adjusting itself. They do not demand attention. They do not disrupt daily life. Yet they are essential to understanding how Earth works, how it has evolved, and how it will continue to change long after human history is past. By learning to detect and interpret these tremors, humanity has gained the ability to listen to the planet itself. Earth does not reveal its deepest truths through spectacle alone. Some are shared only through faint vibrations traveling unseen through rock and metal, carrying information from depths no human will ever visit. In those vibrations lies the story of a living planet, one shaped not only by sudden catastrophe, but by quiet, persistent motion. As instruments grow more sensitive and observations more precise, the whispers grow clearer. Each quiet quake adds to our understanding of Earth's inner life, connecting the surface world we know to the hidden depths that sustain it. And in listening to these unseen tremors, we are reminded that even in apparent stillness, Earth is always moving, shaping itself patiently and relentlessly from the inside out.